Let me show you how to do this the right way. We need to open one of our videos edit page. This part is the one I would like to update. You should always put your links at the very end of your descriptions so you can easily update them in bulk. Let's select the bit we want to update and we press Ctrl C or Command C to copy it. We go back and now we select all the videos in this page. So we can click on Select All to select all the videos in your channel. Now we click on Edit and now on Description. We need to change the action to Remove, and what we want to remove is the part of the description we just copied. So now we paste that in here. We click on Update Videos and now we confirm this action. This usually takes a couple of minutes, but I will speed up that process. Once it's done, we deselect the videos and now we can check the result of this bulk edit. Here you can still see the links, but that's because we need to refresh the tab. Here we go. The links disappeared as expected, but there's one issue. If we simply insert our updated links at the end of our description, it will continue on this line, even if we put a line skip or a line break when inserting the info. But what we really want is for our new links to start over here. We want to skip a line so it looks more organized. To achieve that, we need to go back, we select all the videos just like we did before, we click on edit and then on description. For the action, we choose insert at the end. And now we copy the links we want to add to the videos. I have them right here. Let's select and copy. With that in our clipboard, we go back to YouTube Studio, and this is the trick. On the first line of the info we are going to insert on our descriptions, we need to write something, whatever you want, that you are sure it's not already written in your descriptions. For example, I'll use XYZ. And now I skip a line and paste the updated links. This is how it should look like. The disposable characters, a line break, and our info. We click on update videos and confirm the action. We fast forward a little bit, and once it's done, we deselect our videos and go to the videos detail page. We refresh the tab and your description should look like this. As you can see, the disposable characters are continuing the line. We don't want that, but the info we want to keep is perfectly located. So let's do the final step. We select and copy the disposable characters, go back and select all the videos once again. We click on edit and select remove as the action. We write down or paste the disposable characters on the box and click on update videos. Now let me show you how perfect your descriptions will look like. Now that's finished, we go to the videos detail page, refresh the tab, and here you have it. We just bulk updated 400 plus videos in under 3 minutes. See you soon.